Can you earn $100 to $400 per name? Can you really earn this sort of money just by typing out a name for a particular business? Today I'm excited to show you a website that states that you could potentially earn this sort of money. There's even some proof, and the great part is that you don't need any website or you don't need any experience to get started. So let's take a closer look at this. My name is Rupesh, and this channel, Passive Income for All, is to help you to find the legit ways to making money online. If it's your first time to this channel, a very warm welcome to you. And if you would like to know on how you can go about creating your very own passive income online, please go ahead and click on the link below this video. It will take you to the #1 recommendation. In fact, it will take you to the very method that I have been using for the past 5 years to earn a passive income online. And by the way, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you can be kept up to date on what's happening within the world of online business. So, how can you earn money by typing in names for businesses? Let's take a look. Okay, so here we are. The name of this particular website is called Squadhelp, and you just type in squadhelp.com and you will come to this website. It's the fastest, fastest way to name a book, to name a website, and so forth. So basically what Squadhelp is, it's actually a platform that helps people to get the right name for their businesses. We all know that, if you're starting out with your business, it's a really big thing, and sometimes you get your emotions involved, and it's rather good to actually get feedback from a community. And that's why Squadhelp can actually help any business out, because it's a naming platform and it operates on a crowdsourcing network. So what this essentially means is that lots of folks would then offer their input to the name that's been given to help the businesses to come up on to choose the right name. To find out how Squadhelp works, all you have to do is you just gotta click here on Squadhelp, and then a video will come up. So yeah, you can just go ahead and click on the video and click on this tab that says play video, and it will show you exactly how does Squadhelp work. And there are 3 ways in which you can use Squadhelp once you join them. But let's talk quickly about the joining up process. The cool part is that it's free to sign up, and then once you sign up, then you get to your dashboard, which I'm going to show you what my dashboard looks like. Okay, so here we are in my dashboard, and these are the various contests that they have, and they have winners of the contests. The contests are basically the main part of Squadhelp. This is where the folks need your help. This is where you can enter the contest, and if your suggestion for a particular name or for a particular domain name is taken, then you actually can win contests, and you in turn get to make some money. How much exactly can you make? I'm going to show you that in a short while. They also pay in PayPal as well as Payoneer, so that's the cool part. They're quite flexible in terms of payment. So now let's take a look at how much one can earn on the Squadhelp platform. The very first way in which you can earn on Squadhelp is by entering the contest, and these are the 4 contests that I got sent, but I did not actually enter any of them. But as you can see, that's the amount of entries per contest, and this is like the one entry. It says here, a user experience design strategy and innovation firm. We believe that design shouldn't be a process that make us look good too. So basically they want you to come up with a a UX agency name, and that's how much entries are in there, and it's cancelled, so I suppose that the entries are closed. So that's the one way, which is via the contest. Okay, then the other way is to actually submit the names individually. Now, if you say submit names, here you can submit a domain name that you own, or you can submit an unregistered domain name. And if there is anybody who are interested in purchasing this name, then you will get the commission. At the same time, you can also upload names in bulk. But these packages are all paid packages, and you gotta actually check with them how much it will actually cost to list the names. Now let's take a look at the last way in which you can earn with Squadhelp. And the last way in which you can earn with Squadhelp is by promoting the company. And as an affiliate marketer, you get your own affiliate link which you can share onto various social media platforms. And this is their commission structure. You earn $30 for every customer who launches a contest on Squadhelp. That means if there's a client who wants help with their businesses, and if they use the platform, you in turn earn $30. Then you can earn $35 for every customer who purchases a domain name from the Squadhelp marketplace. And that's the marketplace that I showed you earlier on. And then you can earn points when someone creates an account on Squadhelp. Alright, so that summarizes in a nutshell how Squadhelp works. Now the all-important question, can you really make $100 to $400 just by typing in names? Okay, so now look, I'm going to show you the contest, and I'm going to show you the winners of these contests and how much they have earned thus far. Okay, so check this out. Congratulations to all the winners of our recent contest. So these are the winners of Squadhelp. This one year won $500. This one year for the logo for fitness and health business. Health coaching business, $100. Naming another one of those tech startups, $135. And as you can see, this is quite recently. So folks have certainly made from $100 upwards, $200, $300, $100 again. And this is for an inspiring name. This is for a logo, for a unique name. So there definitely is potential to earn this sort of money on the Squadhelp platform. Now, let's take a look at the leaderboard. Now, the leaderboard is going to show you how much folks have already earned up to this point. Take a look at this. Okay, so here we are at the leaderboard. And as you can see here, these are the top folks who have made money on this platform. And Lighter Dino last month won 7. And the amount that he's earned to date is $70,975. That is some serious cash. Jordan, he's earned $4,353. And as you go down the leaderboard, you'll see that the winnings are actually quite significant. $15,000, $39,000, $13,000, $6,000. So folks have definitely been earning on this platform. And it is, in my opinion, a legit platform to make money by coming up with names for businesses. Okay, so the really cool part is that as a business owner, you're going to get support from the very second that you sign up to Squadhelp. If you want to, you can even liaise with the naming consultant. And once you decide to purchase a particular name, they also have their own in-house licensed attorneys on standby. So that's cool. But now let's talk about you as someone who wants to make money with the platform. As you've seen that there is certainly the potential to earn money with Squadhelp. But at the end of the day, in my opinion, I don't think it's a passive income opportunity. Look, I don't think you can make money on a consistent base. Yes, it can be significant money, but it does depend on that particular name that you submit, and it does depend on the particular URL that you give. So at the end of the day, you need to keep submitting until you hit the jackpot, so to speak. Now that brings me to suggesting to you my number one recommendation, which is the method that I've been using to earn a passive income online, and I've been using it for the past 5 years now. I started from a complete newbie, so I knew nothing at all on how to build an online business. And to be honest with you, I was a bit nervous, I was a bit intimidated when I first started out, and today I'm here speaking to you. So if you would like to learn on how to create a passive income online, it would be my pleasure to help you every step of the way from the point on which you get started. So please go ahead and click on the link below this video to learn on how you can start your very own online business. Thanks so much for joining me on this video. I hope that it has helped you out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so we can meet up in my next video. I would like to take this opportunity to wish you everything of the best in your online business, and please, wherever you are in the world, do be safe. Take care and goodbye.